Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Dr. Emma's Medicine YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about septic arthritis. Septic arthritis, infectious arthritis, joint inflammation caused by a microbe usually result from a bacterial infection of the joint. All types of joint can get infected. The two most common organisms that cause septic arthritis are Staphylococcus aureus, most common pathogens for septic arthritis overall. Neisseria gonorrhea, seen in young sexually active adults. Most cases of septic arthritis are due to hematogenous spread during transient bacteremia, but can also be introduced by a skin lesion that penetrates the joint or by local spread from a contagious infected site. Risk factors of septic arthritis: prior joint damage, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, osteoarthritis, immunodeficiency states, HIV, corticosteroid use, and diabetes. Presentation of septic arthritis: single swollen red joint with pain on active or passive movement, fevers and rigors. Triad of septic arthritis is fever, pain, and impaired range of motion. Investigations of septic arthritis: aspiration of synovial fluid sent for gram staining, leukocyte count, microscopy, and culture. Blood cultures. Remember, most cases of septic arthritis are due to hematogenous spread. Diagnosis of septic arthritis: radiographs may show joint space widening or effusion, periarticular osteopenia, and ultrasound help in confirm joint effusion in large joint such as hip. Can be used in guiding as aspirations. Management of septic arthritis: flucloxacillin for 4 to 6 weeks. If penicillin allergic, use clindamycin. If gonococcal arthritis, use cefotaxime or ceftriaxone. If infection not responding to antibiotics, perform repeated percutaneous aspiration. In general, intravenous antibiotics are used for 7 days until the swelling subsides and blood cultures become negative. This is followed by a 4 weeks course of oral antibiotics. This image is showing septic arthritis. The joint is red, swollen. Another name of septic arthritis are pyogenic arthritis or infectious arthritis. Thank you very much everyone. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.